This is code.org, and this is a weird looking garden, but okay. Behind the bushes, there is a beautiful vine full of flowers. Oh, that's flowers. Okay. Can you climb the vine to see where it goes? So we have 1 block in our workspace, and we're only supposed to use up to 4. All right. So I, like always, am just going to start putting code down because it's easier for me to put a bunch of code and test it and then figure out how to make it shorter. So looks like I want to go north at first and then west. And let me just try this to start off. Code, you can test 1,000,000,000 times and be wrong 1,000,000,000 times. That's what's great about code. You get to keep trying until you figure it out. It's a puzzle. So it looks like I need to go north again and then west. North and west. And am I getting anywhere close? Whoop. Definitely not. So a whole bunch more of these. North and west, north. And notice I'm not really even keeping track of these right now. I'm just putting some code down to try it out. All right. Also notice I have 13 blocks and I'm only supposed to use 4. But again, we're testing. So what? That's fine. Speeding this up a bit. Let's see where we are. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, we would have needed, it looks like 1 more northwest. Almost had it. All right. But obviously we can't have 15 blocks of code. So now we need to think about what we could do here. Well, take a look. Northwest, 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 stairs, repeat. We're repeating how we move. So how many times do we repeat? Northwest, northwest, northwest. I'm just going to break these up. Northwest, northwest, and northwest. So we're repeating ourselves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And there's no need. We can use repeat. I can throw in a 7. I'm going to drag this in here and drop it here. Okay? So now these blocks will do exactly what all of this stuff did. It's going to run the code inside of it 7 times. Northwest hits the bottom, zoop. Northwest hits the bottom, zoop. Once it gets to 7 times, it drops below it. But until then, it runs the code in this pink mouth thing however many times is in there. Let's test this out. Awesome. Onward.